And I'm Hannah.
And we're here at the Temperate Deciduous Forest at 53 Watson Road. Let's dive in. As seen on the map on screen, deciduous forest can be found in the eastern half of North America, the middle of Europe, and many in Asia, with major areas in Asia being Russia, Japan, and eastern China. In South America, deciduous forests are found primarily in southern Chile and the middle east of Paraguay. They are also found in New Zealand and the southeast of Australia.
There's a large diversity of species found in the temperate deciduous forest, including white-tailed deers, ants, hogs, squirrels, fox, turkeys, earthworms, bears. As seen over here, some white-tailed deer feces.
This area would be considered deciduous because it is protected from the cold. The leaves on these trees are broad and very big in size. The trees lose their leaves in the winter when the coldness of the winter would harm the tree's safety and the leaves. Precipitation is spread evenly throughout the year and the soil is very fertile, but still there are not a lot of tree species. As you can see, this place is full of vegetation. The dominant vegetation in this area include oaks, beeches, maple, sycamores, sassafras, ferns, spruce, and there's also a lot of snags. Now the trees in the summer, when they would have more leaves on them, create a large canopy over the forest.
So you may be wondering how the animals adapt to survive in this type of forest. The answer is, most of them hibernate in the winter. A lot of the animals eat the trees and plants, which they also provide shelter for, the animals. They use trees for the water source. Most camouflage to the ground. Plants lean towards the sun. They also soak up the nutrients from the ground due to the rich and moist soil. And many animals eat grass and feed on other animals in this biome.
As you can see from the climate map shown on the screen, the precipitation is evenly spread out throughout the year. The hottest month would be in July though, and June and August are relatively as hot. And the coldest months would be February, March, and April, when it is very cold here in the winter.
Is grazing animals, forest fires, and even though the soil is rich and moist, there is a lack of rainfall.
Important abiotic factors in this area would be rocks, rock soil, water, air, sunlight, wind, temperature, and plant litter. Net primary productivity is the rate at which plants in an ecosystem create net worth chemical energy. Now on this graph you can see that our ecosystem, the temperate deciduous forest, is about in the middle of the other important biomes that are in this.
Fortunately, there are many human impacts that destroy this forest, including hunting, humans cutting down wood, and many areas are cleared for farmlands.
I'm Cassidy.
And I'm Hannah.
And we'd like to thank you for watching this episode of Apes News.
Stay tuned for more information on apes.
Deciduous forests can be found in the eastern half of North America, the middle of Europe, and many in Asia, with major areas being Russia, Japan, and eastern China.